Yo, what up? How's it going, friend? So you want to learn how you can remove the cat icon from your Shopify Horizon theme? If that is why you're here, you want to move from this, like remove it, and you want it to look just like this, then I'm going to put you through. Now let's go straight to the video. Tataria. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is to come here to your online store and you want to come to themes and you want to have your Horizon store, your Horizon theme already installed. So you all had it. Then you want to click on customize and you're going to land on a page just like this, okay? But anyway, if you want to learn how to add this marquee or sliding effect, in your animation bar, you can check out my channel or possibly have my link to the video description to, the video that will teach you how to create that. Now let's go straight to this. And the next thing you want to do once you're here is to come straight to your header. As you can see, you have the header right there. So you're just going to click on that, right? Not this one. I mean, this header here, this one. Okay. Click that. Then you want to scroll down and come to Custom CSS. Okay. Calm down, baby. Come to Custom CSS. And there's something you want to do. I'm going to give you a doc file that will contain this set of codes. Okay. Now it's very simple. I'm going to give you a doc file that will contain this text that you're seeing here. And right there, you want to copy this. Okay. Just copy and paste. That is all. You're not doing anything technical or whatever. Something simple. This is something anyone can do. Even my grandmama can do this. Trust me. Now click copy this. Okay. Then come back right there and paste. That's all. That's all. It's gone. It's gone. Trust, it's gone. So you see, it's gone. That's it. All right. And just click on save and you're good to go. All right. But however, some people do tell me, oh, Maverick, I don't really like using custom CSS because maybe I've got a code there before and I don't want to tamper with it and all that and all that. And I'm kind of scared. It's fine. Another way you can do this is by using the base. Now, let me just remove this. Okay. I remove and you see the stuff up the back, the icon, the card icon is back. Good. Another strategy that we want to use is using the base. So you want to come here to this part. Possibly yours is just going to show Horizon, but because I've already made a copy, that's why you're seeing copy of copy. So you just want to place not this part here, okay? I mean here, all right? So click that, then come here and click on edit code. Now, don't fake it. Don't worry. I know you're scared. Oh, I don't know how to edit. It's fine. Don't worry. This is just copy paste. Also, you're not, doing anything difficult. So you just want to come here, all right? And come down to the same doc file that I'm going to be giving to you and just scroll down and copy this that says hide to hide it using base and just copy that. Okay. You want to copy this. That's it. Then come back. Then once you're here in the editor, okay, which has loaded, you want to come to this part that says assets. Okay. Or possibly maybe yours is closed like this. Just click on this drop down and click on assets. And you want to click on base.css. Once you click that, it's going to open just like this. So you want to scroll down. You want to go down, baby. Go down, 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 baby. Oh, yeah. Okay, so now you want to scroll down just like this. And yours might be just like this. You can just give it a drop down a bit and just paste what you just copied. That's it. That's it. Then go ahead and save. Please make sure that you save. It's very important. Then click on save and go back and you see, it's no longer there. It's gone. It's gone. Yeah, it's gone. So that is it. That's how you can use these tricks to just remove the card icon from your Shopify Horizon theme. All right. So this is it. And maybe also you want another trick. You don't still like this. You can use custom liquid. Okay. And how can you use custom liquid? What you want to do? Okay. Let me just go back and let me remove this. And I save and I go back. You see, it's gonna show. It's not showing again. All right. Now I'm just gonna go to add section and click on custom liquid. Simple. And I click on custom liquid again. Do I have a custom liquid already added? So don't worry about it. Just go ahead and add yours. And it's like this. So I'm gonna go back to that doc, okay, which you also have access to. And I'm gonna use this doc that says this one that says to remove using CL. So I'm gonna go ahead. Copy this. You can see they are just shorts, copy, paste, copy, paste. So this is something this is something literally anybody can do. So just paste it. That's all. That's all. It's gone. It's gone. Yeah, it's gone. Okay. So this is exactly how you can do this, guys. And I believe this video has been helpful. Please, if it is, kindly make sure that you hit the red subscribe button. Please make sure that you subscribe to the channel. It's helped me to keep creating video tutorials like this for you guys. And I know it doesn't cost you anything also. Okay. It's your wish to subscribe, but please try and subscribe. Okay. And also like this video so that YouTube can recommend it to several people out there that will possibly need something just like this. All right. Please try and subscribe and try and help to promote the channel also so that we can, get to 10,000 subscribers and even more, right? So thank you very much for your time. I believe this video has been helpful. If it is, let me know in the comment box also. Share your thought with me. And if you have any question, you can let me know. If you have some kind of problem, let me know. I'll be there to help you out. Thank you very much. I will see you in another video tutorial. Please stay safe and take care of your health as you're trying to also make money online. Health is wealth. Thank you. Peace and have a nice day ahead. Bye.